In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a slider in WordPress using Elementor free. Whether you're looking to enhance your website's design or showcase images in an interactive way, this tutorial will guide you through the process in just 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and get started. First, let's log into your WordPress site. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. From here, navigate to the sidebar on the left and click on Pages. This is where you can see all the pages available on your website. Find the page where you want to add the slider and click on Edit with Elementor. This will open the page in the Elementor editor where we can make all the adjustments and additions we need. Now that you're in Elementor, identify a container element on your page. Here, you'll want to click on the hamburger icon, which will bring up additional options related to the structure and layout of your page. This is an important step as it allows you to make the necessary adjustments to the container in which you'll be placing your slider. On the sidebar menu, you'll see several options. Click on Layout to access the settings for your page's layout. It's essential to set the right layout to ensure that your slider looks as you envision. Under the layout settings, find the option labeled Content Width. Set this to full width. Doing so allows your slider to extend across the entire width of your page, giving it a more immersive look. Next, you'll want to address the spacing between elements. Scroll down to the column gap option and choose No Gap. This ensures there are no unwanted spaces around your slider, thereby creating a visually seamless appearance. Once these settings are configured, the final step is crucial. Click on Publish. This saves all your changes and updates your site so that visitors can now see the newly added slider. This simple series of steps elevates your site's visual appeal and enhances user interaction. That's it. You've successfully added a slider to your WordPress site using Elementor Free. Experiment with different images and settings in your slider for the best result. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and tutorials on enhancing your website's design. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.